Guys, I got to get you outside. Let's talk about what is going on weather-wise. You know, sometimes, Alan, we just get off the rails around here.
Oh, look, I'm all for it. I'm all for it.
Here's what we've got, a cloudy sky, but the story really is the chance for some wind damage. And I'm going to explain it all as clearly as I possibly can. You're 47. A 30-mile-per-hour gust currently in Central Park. Now, remember how gusts work. It's not constantly blowing out there. It's occasional gust that comes along. So let's say you walk outside right now and you don't catch the wind. It's just taking a lull, but it will make a reappearance, and that's why we are talking about the concern for our area being the possibility for, instead of 30 to 40-mile-per-hour winds, now we think there could possibly be 40 to 50-mile-per-hour winds. And if that happens, those are about maybe 10 miles per hour weaker than they were yesterday, where we had 50 to 60-mile-per-hour gusts, but that's combined now with saturated ground. The ground yesterday wasn't saturated. Well, we've now had our biggest rain, since August, and we've got soggy ground out there, so trees and limbs just more susceptible to possibly coming down. So while the winds will be weaker than they were yesterday, the ground is less stable. So that's why we are first alerting you to the hours of 6 p.m. tonight to 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That's the window when some of those winds could possibly bring a tree limb down, maybe take some power out. I'm hoping it's not going to really, take place, but I got to tell you, it's a possibility. We're going to keep an eye on everything for you. And those northwest wind gusts, if they do get up to 50 miles per hour, that's going to really chill you in the morning. I think tomorrow morning, everybody feels like you're in the teens and 20s, no matter where you are. Now, right now, we had a couple little raindrops out there, a little snowflake trying to come into Sullivan County. It's not going to do much of anything. Watch how this works out. Nope, you don't see anything. You actually get some clearing skies on Friday. Now, by Friday night, this becomes a story. Friday night, the clouds will fill in. Another system, maybe a little snowflake if you're out late on Friday night walking around the town. It's not going to accumulate to anything. This is like a zero accumulation. Maybe north and west could see 1/10 of an inch or maybe 3/10 of an inch, but not much of anything. Let's go right to your 7-day forecast and wrap this up for you. We're going to be 50 degrees for your day on Friday. We have a first alert up until about 4 p.m. because of the winds, possibly doing some damage in conjunction with the ground being so wet. 46 on Saturday, you get into the sunshine, you're 47 on Sunday, and then we are off to the races. Next Wednesday, we could be 63 degrees. I think you're going to find some upper 60s out there and a chance for maybe even a 70-degree reading inland in New Jersey.
Spring, getting closer.
March 20th, it's not too far away at all. And those numbers are spring-like right there.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Lon.